Today on How It's Made. Inflatable watercraft, from rafts to dinghies, canoes to kayaks. Today's inflatable watercraft range from rafts and dinghies to canoes and kayaks. They're less expensive than conventional boats and easier to store and transport. You don't need a trailer. You just throw your boat in the boot, then unfold and inflate it when you get to your destination. Whether it's a raft shooting the rapids or a motorized boat gliding across a calm lake, an inflatable begins with sturdy waterproof material. This factory uses a millimetre-thick PVC fabric that has a nylon or polyester fibre core. After workers trace and cut out the pieces that will form the boat, they connect them with a strip of the same material, fusing them together using a machine with a propane flame. The intense heat melts the surface of the PVC until the pieces bond. Next, they fuse a strip of pure PVC to the underside of the joint. This ensures that air won't leak out of the boat where the pieces connect. Inflating the boat will pull on the material surrounding the air valve, so the area is reinforced with a round piece of PVC called a doubler. This high-frequency welding machine applies 127 kilograms of pressure and heat-generating FM waves to fuse the doubler in place. Then a hole is cut in the middle of the doubler for the air valve. Next come the cones. Cones support the weight of the motor and enable the boat to plane, to rise above the water when travelling at high speed. Using the propane flame machine, workers seal together the ends of the boat, then insert the inside cone piece. They finish off the seal using the high-frequency welding machine. Then, they pull the cone piece through. The boat is inflated until the pressure forces the cone into place. Heavy-duty caulking is used to seal the area. The outside cone piece is stuck on, then screwed securely in place. The boat is then fully inflated to perfect the seal and expel the excess caulking. Next, they install what's called the transom, a plank of wood that supports the motor at the rear of the boat. It's covered in boat fabric, using a plastic resin-based glue that's resistant to the heat of the sun. Glue is then applied to the piece of material that will become the underside of the boat. Then, they position it in place. After gluing on a bumper made of hard PVC, the boat's underside is coated in a liquid plastic resin. This protects the bottom when the boat runs aground over rocks or sand. They test inflate the keel, a stabilizer that runs the length of the boat, which is then deflated as the floor is installed. The floor is made up of 5 connected pieces, 3 made of aluminium and 2 made of fiberglass, plastic or wood. The hole in the floor is for the keel's air valve. After inflating the boat, the keel is inflated. Measurements are then taken to determine where to position the oars. First, they glue on the oar locks, the pieces that hold the oars in place. The oars are made of aluminium, so they're lightweight and they won't rust. Finally, the motor is installed and everything is set for you to play around on the water.